Today is Monday, August 4th, first trading day of the week. We're back at it with the trading today. Hopefully we have a good day today. Like I say, when we look at news, as we're looking at news, we see that there are no news events for today. Like I say every day, we do not look at news to figure out whether to buy or sell or to make any trading decisions or bias using the news. The only thing we use news for is to let us know what time high impact news events are going to be in the markets, to let us know if there will be volatility or volume in the markets, whether the markets will be moving fast and at what time it will be occurring, as well as how that's going to affect our trade while we're in it. And we also look at news to figure out if there are going to be any bank holidays for days that we should avoid, because that's where there's going to be low liquidity. And then usually we do not get the range of pips that we need to get out of a trade, a profitable trade or a loss. Well, it's not enough volume or activity for us to trade. So we just usually going to avoid those days. So like I said, we only look at Euro USD news, and we only look at high impact news and bank holidays, which is red folders, gray folders, Euro, and USD. We leave all these checked and we take off all the other pairs. All right. We don't have any news today, so nothing to look forward to. We are coming out of the summer season, so there is some volatility, some movement in the markets, especially because last week we moved around 100 plus pips. Not to say that we can move the same amount today, but there is some movement in the market, some structure that might be retested, broken, or pivoted off of. But it's all up to the markets what it wants to do. We have an entire week ahead of us, so we're just going to trade accordingly.